All right, so there's more things that you can utilize than just mouse X and mouse Y, however. And so we'll say here we're going to use the mouse pressed variable, which means is the mouse button depressed? Is it clicked down? And so that's just a nice thing that processing provides for you. It's a Boolean. So remember, Boolean values can either be true or false. So the mouse pressed is a Boolean that is generated by the program by processing for you. And we can use it in if statements. We say if the mouse is pressed, if that value is true, we will draw the background to be black. And then we can say else, draw the background a different color. And so we'll draw it as, I don't know, blue. So background 0, 0, 200, sort of a darker blue. And then we keep going with the same stuff. We don't have to take all that stuff out. So now the circle will track the mouse, but it'll also, the program will notice whether or not the mouse is pressed, and it'll write the background to be black if the mouse is pressed. Otherwise, the background will be blue. So here, blue background, I'm going to click the mouse right now, and it turns to a black background. Blue, black, blue, black, blue, black. So that's pretty cool. We can also combine the mouse pressed and the mouse X and Y values to create a drawing program of sorts. So I'm going to leave this stuff if mouse pressed, etc. But I'm going to take out this background information. And we're going to keep this stuff. No, I'm going to delete the tweening stuff for this example. And we're going to say only if the mouse is pressed, add an ellipse. And if it's not, don't do anything. So we can actually just take this else statement out if you want. And if the mouse is pressed, we're going to draw it not at circle X, but now we're just going to draw it at mouse X, because this will be a basic sort of drawing program now. So we don't actually need these values. It's good practice to just only have the things in your program that you're going to utilize. Otherwise, it starts to get confusing. So this is a basic drawing program already. You will see absolutely nothing happen on screen at first, but now I'm going to press the mouse. And now I'm going to unpress the mouse, and then I'll press it, etc. So that's pretty cool. You can make a basic drawing program in that way. And we start to use these things in combination, and they start to get more and more interesting.